Hello, kindergarten. Today we're going to be talking again about the letter V. V says V. V says V. We're going to get started with a little video on Starfall all about the letter V. Then we're going to read a story about the letter V, and we're going to learn how to write the letter V today. So let's get started here with this story. V. Let's make that V sound together while I click this uppercase V. And with the lowercase v. Oh, what is this V word? Does anybody know what it is? Violin. Oh, what about this V word? This was our alpha friend for the letter V, was one of these. Volcano. V, volcano. Oh it's got V's for lava. Ooh, what's this V word?
Van. Go for a ride on the Starfall van. Go for a ride on the Starfall van. Van, 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 van. Van, 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 van.
All right, we're going to switch over and read our story about the letter V. This is my V book. I want you to get your best listening ears on and listen for some of those V sounds while I'm reading those. My V book. Little V had a box. It was a big box. She said, "I will fill my box." She found violets. Lots of pretty violets. She put the violets into a vase, and then she put the vase into her box. Little V found a piece of velvet, very pretty velvet. She made a velvet vest. She put on the vest. Then she put velvet all around her box. Little V found a veil of lace. She said, "I can make something with my violets, my velvet, and my veil." Guess what little V made? She made valentines, valentines, valentines. She found a valentine verse. She wrote the verse on her valentines. She filled her box with valentines. She pasted valentines all around it. But some valentines fell out of the box. "I have so many valentines," she said. "I will give them to my friends." So little V invited all of her friends to come to a party. She put valentine notes into envelopes, and she put names on the envelopes. What else did she do? Little V got into her van and drove to the mailbox. Then little V cleaned the house with a vacuum cleaner. "The vacuum cleaner will clean up this mess," she said. At last it was time for the Valentine party. All her friends came and they brought valentines. Little V and her friends made valentine hats. What pretty valentine hats they made. Then they opened the valentines. What fun they had at the Valentine party. Here's some more words with little V. We've got a violin, vegetables, volleyball, vine, volcano, vitamins, a vampire, vinegar, and the low spot between two mountains is called a valley. All of those start with the letter V. We're going to learn how to write V. You need to get out your letter writing page that looks like this and get your name on the top. You all use your pencil for this. Now remember, on our writing pages, if you ever need to stop and pause to finish a row, you can do that and come back when you're ready. I want you to watch me do an uppercase V up here at the top. Uppercase V is big slant down, big slant to the top. Pick your pencil up and trace that and say it with me. Big slant down, big slant to the top. Lowercase v goes slant down, slant up. Pick your pencil up and trace that with me. Slant down, slant up. Good job. Let's trace this row of uppercase V's. We're going to make a big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top. Big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top. Big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top. Then we're going to do a row of uppercase V's on our own. Big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top. Big slant to the bottom, big slant to the top. We're going to come down and do lowercase v. It's pretty much the exact same thing. It just stays under that middle line. So we're going to slant down, slant up. Slant down, slant up. Slant down, slant up. V is one of the easier letters to write. You just get that slanted line going. Then we're going to make a row of lowercase v's on our own. Slant down, slant up. Slant down, slant up. Don't go past the middle line. It stays under that. Then we're going to do a pattern. We're going to do some uppercase V's and some lowercase V's. So we're going to do big slant down, big slant up. Slant down, slant up. Big slant down, big slant up. Slant down, slant up. And then we're going to make a row like that on our own. Uppercase, big slant down, big slant up. Lowercase, slant down, slant up. Uppercase, lowercase. All right, when you get done with all your V's, you can come to the top and color your volcano. All right, and we'll review our 2 letters we've learned this week tomorrow. I'll see you then.